How to add stuff to your wish list on Temu. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add stuff to your wish list on Temu. Open your Temu account on your device. Once logged in, browse through the products and select the item you wish to add to your wish list. After choosing the desired product, click on it to view its details. You will encounter a security verification puzzle. Solve the puzzle to proceed. Once the security verification is completed, scroll down and click on the Save button. Click on it to add the product to your wish list. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the product has been successfully added to your wish list. If you ever want to remove the item from your wish list, simply click on Saved. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.